How to change your calories on MyFitnessPal app. Firstly, you have to open the MyFitnessPal app. You can change your calories on here. Firstly, you can see here the dashboard. Today's your calories are displaying on the dashboard. Click on the edit mark which is present here. Click on the edit here. You can edit your calories goal. You can see your calories goals. You can edit your calories here. In this way, you can change your calories by total calories by changing carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.